on Saptami morning, Nanda Maharaj sends the invitation of Vrishabhana Maharaj, and so the whole family packs, and Radharani goes in palanquin, and Kirtidama and all the ladies go in palanquins, and all the gopis in palanquins, and Sridham's on a horse with soldiers, and riding elephant is Vrishabhana Maharaj, and they all go from Barsana to Nandagram and stay for Saptami, Astami, Nomi, and Dasmi. After midday they go back to Barsana. So it's like 3 days they live inside Nanda Bhavan, and Sridham, and a big party every day. So reading this whole description yesterday. Then on Nomi, Nandotsav, they play Dari Kara. That means that they're smearing each other's face with yogurt and haldi and chandan and saffron keshar, and throwing liquids, and everyone is just enjoying like anything. There's so much yogurt, and it's flowing down the nalis and drains of the palace, and running down the mountainside like rivers. It's said like nadis, like Ganga river of yogurt. Unbelievable. So this is a big day, and it's said that Nanda Baba was smearing on Vrishabhana on Nanda. It said everyone was forgetting who was superior, and Kirtida was on Yashoda, and Mukara was smearing Purnamasi, and everybody was going crazy. And all the gopis were Radharani and her party were smearing each other, and Chandravali and her party were smearing, and Dao and Krishna and all the gopas. Remember, we were reading all these things yesterday. So it's quite a blissful thing. But like you said, enjoy. So they were enjoying a big feast. And